Hi boys and girls. Today is Wednesday and it is the third lesson of the week, but today and tomorrow I am not going to post any new math lessons from our math program, and here's why. Because you are learning at home, you don't always have the same kind of schedule that we have here at school. So right now you are a couple lessons ahead of the boys and girls who are at school. So instead of moving on, we need to kind of get caught up. So today and tomorrow, you get to work on practicing some multiplication skills using a Halloween theme. So today, you are going to work on Halloween multiplication array task cards. And you're going to have this answer sheet that was sent home for you to put your answers on. Here's the example. Here's the first card. It has a number 1 on it. So when you do your work, you're going to do it in the box that has the number 1. I will read the problem to you, and we'll work on this one together. And then I'm going to go through and read all the other cards. And then what you can do is you can pause the video after each card, do your work, and then you can continue the video on to the next card. So number 1, what is the multiplication sentence and answer for this array? Well, what I see is that I have 1, 2 spiders going down, and then 3 in each row. So my number model has to start with 2 because there's 2 going down. It's telling me how many rows there are, 2 rows. And then how many in each row? It's 3. And then how many altogether? Well, I count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the array for that first card is showing me that the number model or the number sentence is 2 times 3 and the answer is 6. That's how you do it. Pretty simple. So I'm going to go ahead and read through each of the cards. You can pause at each card, do the work on your paper, and then move on to the next one. Number 2. What is the multiplication sentence and answer for this array? Number 3, what is the multiplication sentence and answer for this array? Number 4, what is the multiplication sentence and answer for this array? Number 5, what is the multiplication sentence and answer for this array? Number 6, what is the multiplication sentence and answer for this array? Number 7, what is the multiplication sentence and answer for this array? Number 8, what is the multiplication sentence and answer for this array? Number 9, what is the multiplication sentence and answer for this array? Number 10, what is the multiplication sentence and answer for this array? Number 11, what is the multiplication sentence and answer for this array? Number 12, what is the multiplication sentence and answer for this array? Once you have all of those number sentences finished, in the classroom, on one of the computers on the desk, there's this picture. It is a Halloween story about multiplication. Make sure you take the time to listen to the story because it's showing you some good strategies and skills.